This is the unboxing and installation video for the Mohu Gateway Plus. Everything you'll need for installation comes included in the box. Here's the antenna, and here's the stand. We also have our cable with our power injector. The stand attaches to the back, just like this. This is a cool feature because it can be used either as a wall mount or a tabletop stand. Next, you want to attach your cable to the power injector. Let's connect to the back of the TV. All you'll need to do is connect the USB to a USB port and then connect the cable. The signal indicator lights allow you to find the best signal in real time. Now we're ready to start scanning for channels. You'll want to locate your TV settings and go to Live TV, select Channel Scan, and begin scanning. Now you can watch all of these live channels for free. We love this antenna. It's a great quality brand and it's very easy to use.